agree, agree. We agree to meet next week. We agree to meet next week. Answer, answer. The student answers the question. The student answers the question. Become, become. If you eat too much, you will become fat. If you eat too much, you will become fat. Break, break. Someone breaks the car window. Someone breaks the car window. Build, build. This man builds our house. This man builds our house. Carry, carry. How many bucks does he carry? How many bucks does he carry? Buy, buy. Sam buys new book. Sam buys new book. Close, close. Can you close the door, please? Can you close the door, please? Change, change. He always changes his clothes before sleeping. He always changes his clothes before sleeping. Cry, cry. Why do you cry? Why do you cry? Cut, cut. The barber cuts my hair. The barber cuts my hair. Dance, dance. The girl dances ballet. The girl dances ballet. Drink, drink. Drinking water is good for health. Drinking water is good for health. Drive, drive. Don't let your children drive the car. Don't let your children drive the car. Ask, ask. The teacher asks her students. The teacher asks her students. Feel, feel. You feel happy. You feel happy. Find, find. I find a wallet filled with money. I find a wallet filled with money. Begin, begin. She begins her day by eating breakfast. She begins her day by eating breakfast. Follow, follow. It follows him all the time. It follows him all the time. Get, get. Maria always gets a good marks. Maria always gets a good marks. Fly, fly. The plane flies over the mountains. The plane flies over the mountains. Give, give. He gives her a beautiful flower. He gives her a beautiful flower. Go, go. Sam goes to school every morning. Sam goes to school every morning. Have, have. You have a lot of money. You have a lot of money. Here, here. I hear some voices. I hear some voices. Help, help. We should help old people. We should help old people. Laugh, laugh. She laughs so loudly. She laughs so loudly. Listen, listen. What kind of music did she listen to? What kind of music did she listen to? Live, live. Are you living in this house? Are you living in this house? Look, look. Don't look at me. Don't look at me. Love, love. The mother loves her baby. The mother loves her baby. Make, make. My sister makes delicious cookies. My sister makes delicious cookies. Play, play. They play football. They play football. Move, move. Can you help me move this desk? Can you help me move this desk?